Hello, welcome to Beyonce Baby's TV. If you're new in the house, you're welcome. And for all my return subscribers, I love you all. Thumb up for you guys. You're welcome in the family. We love you. Thanks very much for showing us all your massive support. You love that you've been showing to this channel. We appreciate all your comment and you're welcome in the family. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your natural detox smoothie. But before we get started, guys, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, like, comment, subscribe, and most especially don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Whenever we post a new video, you'll be able to see it, and you're going to be the first person to see it. Also, don't forget to share it to all your family members so that they can also watch our video to also learn and gain the information on what we are passing through. So guys, before we get started, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell and stay tuned. But before we guys, first, this smoothie is not just going to be a normal smoothie that you have to take just for pleasure. It's going to be a smoothie that will, before we start the video and start how to carry on with the procedure on how to make the natural detox smoothie, I will explain how it's going to help you. This smoothie will not only detoxify your system, it's also going to be a great weight loss therapy and flat tummy shake. So you can consume this shake first thing early in the morning when that will takes you through your daily activities before you can eat your you can take like breakfast. I can say you can take it like breakfast. Then in the afternoon you have your lunch, and then you can also take it when you're going to bed. When you're going to bed, you can also take a glass of it. And guys, you can take it according to the way your body tells you to take it. You can take it frequently. You can take it maybe every day, mornings and evening. You can take it maybe 3 times a week. It's still going to be very good. It's going to make your tummy look flat and makes you look very fresh and healthy. So guys, so the ingredients are the natural cucumber, your lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use limes as well. Your ginger and your almighty ananas. So that is the ingredients. And the procedure on how we're going to be doing is we are going to slice our ginger, slice our cucumber together, and you have to squeeze out the juice from these limes when you are and then put it in your blender together with the ananas that you've already peeled it off, and then you blend it together. I'll be showing you how to do it, so just stay tuned with me as I do it. Guys, you can see I've sliced all my ginger and my cucumber already, and what next I have to do is to slice my ananas. So guys, as you can see, I'm done cleaning my pineapple, and I've cut it into pieces. I'll be putting it in my blender. Then I blend everything together. It's very easy and natural. Try this, guys. I've been trying it. Has been keeping me really healthy, so I said let me share it with you guys. So the next step is for me to blend everything together. Before I do that, squeeze in my before I do that, are you guys seeing me? I'm squeezing out all my lemon. See, it has a lot of water because it's a natural lemon. Squeeze everything in. Squeeze everything in. Guys, stay tuned. Let me do it and show you how to do it step by step. The first thing I'll be doing is I've washed already my cucumber, and I've already cleaned up my ginger. So what I'll be doing now is I'm just going to slice it up into smaller pieces. What I'll be doing is I'll be putting in some ice cube. If you want, but if you don't want, you don't like drinking things that are cold, you can as well take it and do without no ice cube. Next thing I'll be doing is I have to blend everything together. You can see, and here you have where that is where you can make your smoothie. And if you have something smooth, if you have like ice cube, you can use this one. If you have normal natural smoothie, you use this one. And that's where you can blend things like tomato, onions, and other things. So I'll be using this one since I have some cubes in it. Guys, you don't have to put any water into it. You just need to blend it together, because we have a lot of water in cucumber, and the pineapple himself is also full with a lot of water. So you don't need to put any water in it when you want to blend it. So guys, our smoothie, natural smoothie, is finished, complete. It's time for us now. You can save it. You see? So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumb up, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification buttons. I love you. Stay blessed. Bye. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn off the notification bell. Whenever I upload my video, you'll be the first person to see the video. Please share it to all your family members. And cheers.